I wanted to pop on and share some new items that have arrived in the store. We got from Paper Rose Studio this gorgeous rainbow garden collection. I just am in love with it. It is so pretty and has so many fun elements to it. So first of all, we have the 6x6 paper collection pack, which comes with 18 double-sided pattern papers. There's 3 each of 12 different designs. So plenty. So it's got these gorgeous rainbow watercolory looking background pages, as well as these cute, look how cute these little gnomes are, and some gorgeous florals and butterflies and dragonflies. It is just beautiful. So there's the little gnomes. How cute are they on a project? So this is the basics. And then we also have the Rainbow Garden Collection Pack. So again, with 18 double-sided things, 3 of each of 12 different designs. It's got this gorgeous kind of rainbow parquet wood background, umbrellas filled with florals, some homes, trees, sentiments. It's got gorgeous florals. Again, the dragonflies and the butterflies. There's the dragonflies there. So it is just a beautiful collection. So we have both of those. Then we have embossed die cut. So this is a rainbow birthday. So it comes with 4 sheets of pop-out birthday dies. So these all coordinate with the papers and the colors. So they're perfect to go with that. And they have all sorts of balloons and cute little puppy dogs and kittens, cakes, balloons, candles, presents. And they all pop out, so no fussing cut required. And then because they are embossed, it's hard for the camera to pick up, and then they're in a packaging, but I will show you on some samples that I made. All these embossed elements have a little bit that is kind of got glossy embossed bits to them. So they are really fun. These are really easy to use. They recommend you can use a little craft knife, but really I found you can pop them out without having to use the knife, and they don't really leave a nub or anything, so they're great. We also have the embossed die cuts here to go with the Rainbow Garden. So again, they come with 4 sheets on them, and I will hold them up close so you can see all of the beautiful. So they have these really cute gnomes, they have butterflies, they have some little critters, they have dragonflies, they've got some gorgeous windows and some umbrellas on them filled with florals. Very, very nice. So again, they all pop out. Here's the sheet there with all the elements on them, and then there they are kind of up close. So much detail. They're so beautiful, the little watercolor effect on them. All sorts of different sizes, bigger and smaller. Again, the homes, the umbrellas, again, come in bigger and smaller, as do the gnomes. Then we have this one, which is the Quick Cards 1. So this is got sentiments and die cuts on it. So this is fabulous to use in conjunction with these papers, either the set or the basics, either you want, or any other papers you may have in your stash, plain cardstock if you prefer, whatever you like. But then they've got these great little elements and sentiments and sayings and butterflies and gnomes and all sorts of stuff that you can pop out and use on your cards to make some really gorgeous fun cards quickly and easily. And so they've got all sorts of things. Happy birthday, feel better soon, hello, cheers, congrats, thanks, thinking of you. So there's all sorts of sentiments for all sorts of occasions. Really easy. It's fun. You could make the cards and then leave the sentiment and pop it on the end when you need a card. You have all these sentiments that are ready to go. There's plenty here to make lots of different cards. Then again, we have the Quick Cards 2 sentiments. So again, just some different sentiments and a few different images here. So while this one has a lot of houses and different things like this in the nose, this one has a couple of cute girls in there as well. So it just has some different images, some different little florals, and a few more different sayings, as well as the butterflies and the gnomes again. There's another sample of the gorgeous gnomes and butterflies you can use. Again, all of these pop out. No fussy cutting involved. Then we have this, which some people saw me working on and quite loved. This is the Quick Card Collection. So this comes with 18 double-sided pattern papers. There's 3 each of the 12 different designs. There's 4 pop-out sheets that come with it as well. So it's like getting one of these. I think actually it is this one. Right, so if you wanted to, you could buy the quick cards and then you could buy one of these and do even more, because there's enough to do a whole bunch of things in here. And then these quick cards, I will show you. I created a pack. Let's see, I'll show you those samples later. So these ones are the quick cards. So they come with that. They have some sample, an inspiration sheet, which is what I did, these ones. So you can make this card. And this one. And this one. Like, how cute are these? And that one. And then there's that one. And that one. And so those all come from the card. And I have lots left over. There are lots and lots of elements left over from the quick card pack that would allow me to make even more of these. What I ran out of for doing this, it makes one, so all these complete set of 6 here. And then you run out of the big circular elements, like those. But I had lots of butterflies, gnomes, and some sayings and things like that left. What I didn't have was some of the circular ones. So if you wanted to buy another pack, you would have another round of the circular ones, and you certainly have enough of the background papers and bits to do that. Or you can make your own designs up, or you could use a little less on these cards. I mean, I have the 2 butterflies and the little floral swag and the circular element and the sentiment along with these strips. I could choose to use something else. It comes with everything you need to make them. Right, so it is a really great kit. Very useful. And I will show you the other inspiration that I did with some of the leftovers of them. So I have this one that I made with the butterfly one, again using some elements here, the little umbrellas, little hello sentiment. This is the new embossing folder that is on order, that is coming out. It's a new release for April, but we got a sneak preview of it, so I use that. I just love that embossing folder. So that's one of the things I used on the pattern paper from the Rainbow Gardens pack. I used one of these papers. This one, I think it was that paper I used on it, embossed it, and then did some white pigment ink over top. Again, here's that embossing folder, just a little floral wreath. These all came from some scraps, pieces of paper I had from some of the other things that I did. Again, another background with the embossing, again using just some leftover elements. A little hello die. This is a chunky hello die that we also have on order from Paper Rose Studio. Here, using some of the leftover dragonflies. Again, that embossing folder, some of this paper for the background. And another one using some of the leftover gnomes that I had, the little hello die, and another one. So as you can see, I had a lot of fun playing with this collection. It is so much fun. And just one sec here, and I'm going to reach over here and see if I can grab the bits that are left. I want to show you. Here's mine that was open, so you can still see when I want to show you how many. So I made all of these cards here with this kit and some of these things, and I still have all of those elements, all of those little sayings, those little sayings, and then these are how the cards come. So this is, you know, they're all double-sided like this. So that's what the papers look like. So they're really easy to use. They're all double-sided, they're all like that. So as you can see, because I only used one of each of these, so I have these other ones. So you can do all sorts of things with it. And there is the direction sheet. So it comes with the direction sheet like this. So it shows you using this paper and that paper. So I, you know, use basically half of one of these and then the other side of that. And then use that with those elements. So it shows you it's very easy to put together. There's the other side. And you can do that. So if you like quick and easy cards that I personally think come out really stunning looking, a card kit like this is a fabulous way to do it. You can get a lot. You have lots of extra little bits. And then, like I said, we brought in tons of other embossed die cuts and sentiments that you can purchase on your own to use with the rest of these. If you like to have a little bit more freedom and you like to kind of go rogue, do your own thing, as you say, you can buy these collection packs like this in the 6x6 size there. We do have actually some 12x12s coming too. They were on back order though, so we have not received those, but this paper is also all available in 12x12. So if you're interested in that, I didn't order a lot of them, but I did order some. So if you're interested in that, let me know. I can certainly order more. So anyways, I hope you enjoy the Rainbow Garden collection as much as I did. Bye.